Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Phonons Institute. Today in this video, we will be discussing about questions which were asked in UKPSC Lecturer 2021 for the subject biology. We have already discussed questions till question number 20 in previous videos, and now let's start with question number 21. Question number 21 says, which of the following structure is found only in lichens? So for question number 21, C is the right answer. Soridia. And Soridia is a bud-like outgrowth which develops on the surface of thallus in lichens. Moving on to the next question. Question number 22. Question number 22 says, which of the following organism has cell wall composed of peptidoglycan? We all know bacteria has a cell wall which is composed of peptidoglycan. And if we talk about other options, then fungi has chitin in their cell wall composition, whereas bryophyte has cellulose, pectin, and hemicellulose in their cell wall composition. And in pteridophytes, I guess protein and polysaccharides are there in the composition of the cell wall. Moving on to the next question, question number 23. Question number 23 says, superficial blastula or periblastula is found in. So periblastula is also called as superficial blastula, and this is found in the eggs of insect. So option number A will be the right answer for question number 23. Moving on to the next question. Question number 24. Question number 24 says, in which of the following groups would you place a plant which produces spores and embryos but lacks seeds and vascular tissue? So for question number 24, option A is the right answer. As we all know, bryophytes lacks vascular tissues and produces through spores and embryos, whereas in pteridophytes, they produce by means of spores, but they are vascular plants. That means here we are, what has asked, which lacks vascular tissue, but pteridophytes has vascular tissue. Then if we talk about gymnosperms are seed producing plants and also are vascular plants. And if we talk about algae has no vascular tissues, but they do not produce through embryos. They might produce in some cases through spores, but they do not produce through embryos. So right option for question number 24 will be A, bryophytes. Moving on to the next question. Question number 25. Algae are classified into major group on the basis of. So the most common basis for the classification of algae is the types of pigment, and there are basically three divisions, that is chlorophycy, phaeophycy, and rhodophycy. So chlorophycy has green pigment and they are like green algae having chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Then phaeophycy are the brown algae, I mean. Then rhodophycy has red algae. So these are the three pigments, chlorophycy, phaeophycy, and rhodophycy, which are used to classify the major groups of algae. Moving on to the next question, question number 26. Let's see what question number 26 says. It says horsetail belongs to. Horsetail is basically a plant which belongs to the class Sphenopsida. So option number C is the right answer for question number 26. Moving on to the next question. In which geologic era gymnosperms were present in the form of dominant vegetation? I guess basically gymnosperm appeared in Paleozoic era, but we are talking about dominant vegetation, then it was in Mesozoic. Yes, in Mesozoic era it was It has dominant plant life during the Mesozoic era. So for question number 27, option A will be the right answer. Mesozoic. Moving on to the next question, question number 28. Question number 28 says, which of the following causes food poisoning due to the consumption of raw eggs? So, the fresh eggs or raw eggs may contain a bacteria, that is salmonella, which causes the food poisoning or illness. So, option A will be the right answer. Salmonella typhi is, yeah, Salmonella typhi causes the food poisoning due to the consumption of raw eggs. Now, moving on to the question number 29. Question number 29 says, the type of bacteria that bear one flagellum at each end is known as, which means this is a flagella and it bears one flagellum at each end. So there are different types of arrangement in flagella. One is this, and one is in which only there are multiple flagella at one side. Then there is another kind of arrangement. All over the body there are flagellas present in bacteria, and another type is when two opposite ends have multiple flagella. So in amphitrachus, that is option number A, this is for option number A, one flagellum at each end. And whereas lophotrichus, this is for the lophotrichus, and lophotrichus at one end multiple flagella is present. Then in peritrichus, flagella are present all over the surface of the bacteria, and in cephalotrichus, multiple flagella are present on both the ends, opposite ends of the bacteria. So option A is the right answer for, let me draw it again. Option A will be the right answer, and this is how Amphitrachus bacteria looks. Moving on to the next question, question number 30. In Fabaceae, the gynoecium is, in this gynoecium is monocarpellary. Option A is the right answer for question number 30. Moving on to the next question, question number 31. Pectose is found in the cell wall of. So pectose is found in option number D, Spirogyra. For question number 31, Spirogyra is the right answer, option number D. Moving on to the question number 32. Atropha belladonna, an important medicinal plant, is of the family. So this medicinal plant, belongs to the Solanaceae family. That is option number D. So for question number 32, option D is the right answer. Moving on to the next question. Question number 33. Male gametes in ferns are multiciliate, because ऑलवेज फर्न में जो मेल गैमीट्स होते हैं वो मल्टीसीलियस होते हैं. तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द राइट आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. Question number 34 says, the gram positive bacteria is, option B is the right answer for question number 34. Staphylococcus is the gram positive bacteria. Others are the gram negative bacteria. E. coli, Salmonella enterica, Haemophilus influenza. All three are gram negative. Yes, all three are gram negative bacteria. Only Staphylococcus is the gram positive bacteria. So for question number 34, option B will be the right answer. And that's all for this video. So if you like this video, do hit the like, share, subscribe button and stay tuned to this channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.